Well, it's been a while since I made a video, guys, but check this out. We made some power today. Holy smokes. We have made 24 and a half-ish kilowatts, or 24 and a half kilowatts, yeah. Wow, that's awesome. Pretty happy. We're at 61 volts. That's not even close to charge, but nonetheless, happy. Anyways, I've been really busy. I'm renovating my bathroom, so yeah, haven't been making very many videos, but hopefully we'll get to some shortly. Check it out, guys. Got some beautiful sunlight. We're getting past that winter solstice. Wow, we made 12 kilowatts there, 12 kilowatt hours, and 10 kilowatt hours there. Still pulling in over 3,000 watts. Awesome. We were at about 5,000 watts earlier. And we'll probably make it up to 64 volts today. I think we started at around 60 volts. That's awesome. Maybe we'll be going off grid here. Currently, for the last month, I have been on grid most of the time just because there is not enough sun. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Well, day after all that snow we got close to about a foot of snow in most places. And we're getting more than the foot here. Pushed it all with the ATV and plow. Yeah, shoveled all the panels off last night so I'd have power. Look at that. That's the problem. I'm already getting shade from these trees here on that one, so that's taking out 750 watts. That's good for a while. That's good all day. The ones on the roof over there are probably doing almost nothing. And that one over, that bunch over there is already getting shaded by probably those trees. Plus it's at a terrible angle already. But yeah, tent survived. It was pretty windy. I have it tied down to the car inside there. We're gonna pull this Jeep out here. Take the red one today. Yeah, there was quite a bit of snow. ATV pushed it pretty good though, because it's nice light stuff. Oh, I need a car wash again. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hopefully we'll start getting some sunny days non-stop. We're going off grid today again, and see how long we can stay off grid for. I drained my diesel tank, heating the trailer on the really cold days. You can see all the snow that accumulated on there. It's not as cold today. It's warmer. At least the sun's out, so it's going to warm the trailer up because it's black. But it was, I think it's -8 right now. But the past few nights it's been like -20. So I ran the diesel right till the diesel ran out. Helped keep everything slightly warmer in the trailer and dry. And it's done a great job. Now I wonder if the panels are covered or uncovered. I can't even tell. I have to look at the video later, see if we're getting any charge in there. Anyways, thanks for watching, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Well, just showing you guys what kind of a day it is today. It is overcast. We've had the sun come through a couple times for a few minutes. And what are we making? We are making around 1200 watts here and around 800 watts here. So about 2000 watts total. That'll go up if the sun comes out. Still not using the reliable at this time, just because, well, I'm not making enough power. To be honest, to need it, it is not necessary. As soon as it starts picking up, it's already starting to pick up. We're making a lot more power than we used to. Let's see here. This is saying 64 volts, not really. Let's see, how is this doing? This is saying 100% just because I have the amp hours programmed into this a little bit lower than what I actually have. So my reading is always going to show a little lower than what the batteries really are. I should probably change that. See what we got here. By the way, guys, I do recommend these BMS boards. They are fantastic. I really like them. They work extremely well, and they balance quite well too. Alright, so super close spread on battery voltage. Here's all the cells. So close. It's only one cell that's different. It's awesome. Yeah, everything's working great. I like to shut that off. We still got the really old 3000 watt reliable. This is the first one I bought. It's doing great. Well, I'm also doing great because I never use it. It's just a backup. Got my extra Midnight Classic because I got another 3000 watts to put up. This is a 250, so I'll be running them in a 4-string series. And all these little BMS boards are working great. I do want to replace them eventually with these. Maybe put like one for all these batteries, one for these batteries, one for all those batteries. You can handle it no problem. One for all those batteries. And yeah, go from there. There's nothing wrong with these cheapies at all. It's just all you get is lights. You don't get any info at all, but at least you have lights. And the lights honestly never come on. These batteries are just so well balanced. I got really lucky with these batteries. And yeah, everything's just working flawlessly. Honestly, I never even have to come in here. I come in here every so often just to check up on things, but it runs. It just runs and runs, and I never have to look at it. Never have to do a thing. Which is awesome, but it's almost boring because you don't have to do anything. It's not boring. I still love it. But anyways, just giving you guys an update. Thanks for watching.